to turn the table on you and say, Rahul is saying that it was foggy, unclear, the world where we need to play in, and the underlying pillars which would depend, disruption depend, were not visible. Now it's a lot more clearer. So what role would a corporate should play, and do you really think you can use the startup ecosystem to disrupt yourself from a corporate perspective?
Thanks, Murli. Thanks for the clear insight, Rahul. So if I were to go back, Murli, as you rightly said, if I, from a corporate perspective, Clayton Christensen, the way he has defined disruptive innovation, it clearly applies to us. What did he say? He said that disruptive innovation is a process by which a the service is typically being less, typically takes right, starts from the bottom of the market, and then they challenge the established players. So if you look at the timeline which Rahul talked about, that is where, you know, we take as corporates, we take a little bit of time thinking that yes, nothing will happen, but during that particular process we see how these kind of innovations and disruptions go and make a larger marketplace, and where it becomes a little bit difficult for established players like us. To tell you very frankly, there has been a debate which was there, let's say 3-4 years ago, that who will win, whether it is startups or the corporates. I don't think so that is relevant in today's environment. The way we as corporates have come about saying that it is nothing to do with who wins. I think we'll have to look at a overall ecosystem where everyone wins. Is that possible? The answer is yes. Are partnerships today possible? Yes. So is a corporate like us, being such a $50 billion revenue company, are we open to looking at collaboration? Of course, yes. And way back in 2015, hence we launched an initiative wherein we can partner with the startups, and it was named as Aditya Birla Biz Labs. So if you look at it, we have got a very, very open mind. We are looking at how we can collaborate with the startups, and we'll have to look at how we can mutually benefit out of it. And you know, moreover, the disruptive innovation, the way as a corporate we look at it is, it is not only the idea, I think it is also the execution. So therefore, if I were to divide the innovation, it can be in two areas, both in terms of idea as well as in execution. There are a lot of companies in India, maybe they have taken the idea from the West, but I think the way they have executed here is completely different, because the markets are different over here, and they have done it to perfection, which can challenge established players like us.